Today's video we're gonna make board headphone in our SOLIDWORKS. It is a good practice. It is not surface modeling, but it is a part modeling or solid modeling you can say. And it is a good headphone. I pretty much uses 6 months and it is reliable to use and very good. Sound quality is very good. So let's get started. First of all, I make rough drawing in Krita. So welcome guys, let's start our video. First open our SOLIDWORKS, then go to new and go to part, click OK. Then in here select mmgs as your unit, it is millimeter, gram and second. Then it is in here, click front, then click sketch, then click circle tool, point at the origin, click there and draw a shape like this. Then another circle we need, so create another circle from that origin like this, click OK or press enter. Then go to smart dimension. The upper circle give it a diameter of 15 and the lower circle give it a diameter of 10. We got this. Then go to feature and click extrude boss base. Now see this extruding like this, but we don't need that, so go to extrude boss base, then select counter, click here and then click here also and here, then click reverse direction, then here click here and give it a 5, then press enter and we create this. Then we need to extrude this part, so go to extrude boss base, click here, then go to part, then go to extrude boss base and click here, then go to sketch 1, then click to select this and clear the selection, then create the this portion and extrude it up to 1 or 0.5 like this. But we need another thing, then click here in the surface, then go to right click here and then go to sketch, then go to convert entities and it will convert this, then go to offset entities and here parameter give it a 1, then click above circle and like this, then go to reverse direction, but we need to change the dimension, so click here and give it a 0.5 and press OK. We create like this. Then go to feature, extrude boss base and it automatically select, then go to bind and click up to surface, then select this surface and click OK. We got this, but we need to fillet it, so go to fillet, select this inner portion, click here full preview and the fillet parameter give it a 0.5. now we need this, then click OK or press enter. We created this. Then we need to chamfer it, so go to fillet and click this drop down, this open the fillet and chamfer, select the chamfer, then the chamfer items to chamfer, click this line will chamfer, then in parameter click here and 0.5 enter, it will chamfer like this. It is totally okay for us, so click OK and we got this type. of shape. Now we need a dome shape of this thing. So by using dome command, so in command, search commands, click here and type dome, DOME, and click this. Then it will tell us to select parameter. So this face, click, and it will create a dome preview, but we not need this as much big. So in this parameter, first give 2. For us it is totally okay, but we need something big, so change it to 3. It's totally okay for us. So click enter, and we create this type of dome shape. Now we need to make these parts. So in SOLIDWORKS we can easily create that. Select the top plane and go to right click and go to sketch, then go to line and click the drop down, select center line and origin, give it a line like this and select enter, then go to line tool, then go to line, click here and draw like this, then go to smart dimension and give it a dimension, give it a radius of 20. Then top side view, go to top side view, then we click line, select like this and create this line type here. Later we modified it, but now click like this, then select, go to smart dimension and this point to this point, give it a something 5.5 and then select this, give it a size of 1.5, then go to click this line, this will have 0.5 only, this line, then click to this line, this line will be 3, and here arch shape of this and click to this line, this will be same as this 1.5, press enter, then this, click to this and this line and give it a dimension of 0.5, or we need to change something, the dimension, this 0.5 will be 0.8, press enter. This is perfectly created. So then we need to normal this, click spacebar to set up like this and then click the above portion to go to that portion. It has isometric view, top view, front view, extra. In this drop down, orientation, it's called orientation. In this drop down, select this and go to top view, then click this line is automatically 0.3, or you can 13, give it a 13. It's perfectly fully defined. So exit the smart dimension, then go to revolve and select this and also this, save and go to thin feature, uncheck that thin feature, and the axis of revolution, select this and select this line. You see this line, and it create like this, and click OK, and it created like this. But we need to small this, so go to here, revolve, drop down this and go to sketch and edit sketch. Then here this dimension 1.5 will be only 0.9. Make it like this, or 121 is approx, and click enter. Now it perfect for us. Now we need to hold this portion, so select this and go to sketch, then convert entities, then go to offset, click this, then reverse direction, it will be 0.3, press enter. Now creating this, then go to extrude boss base, select counter, select this, then select this. This will be as much as low. In this case we will be 0.1 only. In cell command, in here click show preview, then in parameter give it a 0.2 and press enter 2 times. It will automatically create the hole in all the portion. Now we need to create the rubber that's attached in our here, this part. So let's create. So go to this isometric view. Now go to the top plane and create sketch, and here click this line and center line and roughly draw like this. So go here to spline command, create here. So go to spline command, click here, then go to this portion, click here, then click like this, and select this, then click here, do some modification from this like this. It's totally rough, you did not to proper draw this. So create like this, then go to surface and create revolve surface like this. It automatically select this, it totally fine for us, and click OK, and this create the shape of this like. So 70% our drawing is complete. Now need the wire portion of this in this part. So we need the plane first. So go to feature and go to reference geometry, then click plane and click this upper plane, and it will generate a plane, but we need to in planing here. So flip the offset and give it a dimension of 3. It's totally fine for us. And click OK. The plane will created. Select the plane and sketch it. Now we need to make this, so click this upper circle, then go to convert entities, then go to send rectangle, then click the corner rectangle, click here, select this point and draw like this. It created. Now we need to smart dimension it. from origin to this point it will be 7, and smart dimension this to origin point, give it a 3.6, is totally fine for us. And then here to here it will be 6 for us. And the difference between two is 1.3, so it's fully defined. Now we need to revolve this, so we need line tool for this, and this is a midpoint to this midpoint, and press OK. Totally fine there. And go to feature, then go to revolve all this and click here. Then the axis of revolution, click this, and of the theme feature it created that, press OK. But we need to some modification, so select the plane and then go to right click and select sketch, then click convert entities. Now carefully click this and the above circle, this, and press OK. Now select all the things and create a for construction. So we got this. Now so go to corner rectangle, select this 3-point corner rectangle, then select like this 1, 2. If you do some modification, you can make another from here and click OK. Smart dimension, click this point, it is approx 1.10, it's totally fine. Here to here 0.85, here to here 0.85, it's totally fine, but we need to align them. So click this with press Ctrl and then click these 3, then go to vertical relationship, it will align that. Then this thing also, this point and vertical, this align them, and then we need to cut this from, so select 3-point corner rectangle, see this and this is totally fine. So click OK, then go to feature, then go to extruded cut. In here click bind and give it both mid plane and press OK, and it created this. Now we need to hole in there, so for this we need to create another plane. So go to reference geometry and here plane and select this drop down, then you go to top plane and reverse the direction and change the parameter to 10, but we need to something big, so select this and give it a 50 and click OK. Then click this, right click this and go to sketch, then you need to convert this, click here and convert entities, it will convert that. Then go to offset entities, click here and then the offset parameter give it a 0.1 and reverse direction and click OK. Then go to feature and go to extrude cut. In this selected corner counter, select this and give it a reverse direction, so click here, it will reverse the direction, and the 10 mm is totally fine for us, so click okay, and it cut that portion, and hide this plane and the plane one also. Now we need to create the boat shape, so select this boss and create this sketch, then go to line tool, click this and draw a rough shape of a boat. You don't need to be precise on this, only draw a boat, or you can draw anything as you like. Drag this and do some modification on this boat. This is totally fine. Then go to feature, then go to extrude boss, click here and uncheck the merge result, and this depth give it a 0.1 and click OK. This will create the boat shape. Now we need to give it a color, so go to edit appearance, then select this face and then select this, then go to the color and select your color as you wish. The color will automatically change this. I need to some modification like this, and this portion also. No, I need to change this. So okay, click OK. Then another edit appearance, click this plane, then go to, we need to change something like this color, clear this selection, then click here and give it a color of like this. It's totally fine for us. Then give it a black color on this portion, then select this and select this, delete this, then click black. It automatically create black for you. Then this portion also black, but we need to change it another step. Click here, it also black, and these portions also black, then okay. Then in this surface we need to go to appearance and go to rubber, then go to matte and the matte rubber, drag this on this portion, and this portion also created like this, and we get our headphone. It is a solid modeling and it is a good practice for it, but in future we will upload it in surface. That is a better thing from this, and you can fillet it. So let's fillet it like this, give it a 0.2 and click OK. That's how you can create this headphone. And in future we will upload the surface modeling of this thing. It is a solid modeling. Now it is a solid modeling. It is easy for you to practice, but not as good as surface. We need to do it in surface. So make sure like and subscribe, and we will upload the surface video very soon. So take care, goodbye.